Emmy goes to My Disability Roadmap, the New York Times.
Accepting the Emmy, director Samuel Habib.
Hi, Vice President Biden. How will you support more inclusive education for students with disabilities?
You should be integrated into all of the classes because you're smart. You're smart, you're smart. The disability does not define who you are. It doesn't define who you are.
I can't believe he stroked my face. Weird. Hello everyone. I'm Samuel Habib, the co-director of this film, along with my dad Dan Habib. We are grateful to the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences for this awesome award. Thanks to the OpDocs team at the New York Times for being great teammates on this project, and to our editor James Rutenbeck, our co-producer Erica Lupinacci, and to our executive producers Jim LeBrecht and Sara Boulder. Thanks especially to my mom, Betsy McNamara, and my older brother Isaiah, for being there for me my whole life. My goal for this film is that people won't talk down to people with disabilities. I want everyone to know that people with disabilities demand respect and rights. And I want other young adults with disabilities to have the same opportunities that I have had for healthcare, inclusive education, college, assistive technology, making friends, and independent living. I would like to dedicate this award to disability rights badass, Judy Heumann, our friend and mentor who died this past March.